What is up, everybody? It is a Monday evening. As you can see, this lovely white fluffy stuff is behind me. It's Monday. Friday it was Thursday it was bare. Friday was atrocious. I had the MR2. The wife was gone on an audit, and I had to take the MR2 to work, and it was just unbelievably bad. I never recommend anybody to drive a MR2 in winter with summer tires. I'm fully aware what summer tires versus winter tires, you know, the argument is I'm fully for winter tires, so no need to comment on that. I just wanted to say that this is going to be the last night in our 2016 RS. Excuse me. We are trading this sucker in. I'm not going to give it away just yet, but it'll be the last night with this thing. We're going to go have some fun with the car. We've really enjoyed it over the years. It's been a great car for us, other than like the first 6 months of ownership. So, new car's coming. Stay tuned for that. Some of you may know what it is already. Don't give it away, please. And the MR2 might be gone as well. So I might have 2 new cars coming. The MR2 will be getting traded. It's a trade deal. I guess essentially this car is too, but it's for a brand new vehicle. And yeah, it's kind of sad because we really like this RS. We know it's been great for us. It's the 2016. It had all the issues that you could imagine. All the recalls have been done. We've owned it for 2 years. The first year was kind of up and down. The second year with this thing has been great. Head gasket's been fixed. PTU's been replaced. I know it's like 50% of the time we've had it, it's been bad, but the second year has been really, really good. So we're really gonna miss this thing. It's got us out of a lot of bad situations with weather. It's an absolute tank. Anyone considering buying this thing for a daily or a winter tank, do it, because this car is unstoppable in the snow and ice. It has absolute control and traction. When the wife is driving and she has to go far away, this car will take care of her. So I'm really, really impressed with that portion of this thing. Yeah, so that being said, we're gonna miss it. It's a really nice, car, but it's just what we're doing financially makes sense. And you'll see in the future with a new video. So yeah, what we're doing just makes sense right now, and lower interest rate, that sort of thing. So stay tuned for the new car. Possibly stay tuned for what I'm replacing the MR2 with. And yeah, I guess just a little teaser for now, but as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay in the loop of what's to follow, and like and subscribe. All right, peace.